Look at that, look at how beautiful that scenery is with that beautiful tree. It's lovely. Someone told me I look like Jesus today. It's a pretty good compliment. I'm heading north to another very popular town called Ubud, which is known for its kind of like retreats, yoga-y, hippy-dippy stuff, but also it's closer to nature and closer to waterfalls, which is why I want to go, so we can film and capture some cool stuff. It's only 30 kilometers away, but it's like 10:30 and the traffic is high, so we're gonna have to navigate through a shit ton of traffic to get there. Let's go. Made it safely from Canggu to Ubud. A lot of exhaust fumes, not the most eco-friendly way of getting around, but I did make it in time to go and visit a waterfall with my friend, and we are gonna get in the water and enjoy a nice little swim for the last part of the day. And it's a shame that every waterfall that we go to, there's fucking trash everywhere. So we're gonna pick up some trash on the way back up. What is this? It's like a broom, a lot of plastic bags, wrapping, cups, clothing, all of this shit. And the downside is that it breaks down with the UV, gets into the water system and gets eaten by fish. You all know by now how that whole system works, I'm sure. Not good. So look at that, look at how beautiful that scenery is with that beautiful tree. It's lovely. Nothing quite like nature, guys. Look at it. Fuck for name. You found it. Fuck. Yeah, this is really sad. Such a beautiful place. And it's not like people came here and chucked all this trash and left it. It's like the trash that came from probably the street or just been dumped somewhere, get caught in the rain system, in the water system, and just flushed out here. It's just probably the high water mark whenever there's rain. But look, like, fuck, man. Look at this. Just come here and leave your beer bottles through the passageway of plastic. Yay. I have to say, I'm not too excited about going swimming right now.
Yes, I am.
You gonna go swimming in this? After all that plastic?
Waterfall here is the same.
All right, we're going in. It smells a little bit funky, and maybe that's just in my head. It's definitely not clear. I can barely see my feet, but it's cool. And there we have the waterfall 1 and waterfall number 2. Cool. So it sucked that there was a lot of trash, but it's kind of worth it.
It smells of laundry detergent. Like that. Which I guess is better than pure sewage, but what you see on Instagram is definitely not all reality, as I'm sure you know by now.
The crazy thing is you can't even really distinguish our stuff from the trash. One of the things I love about places like this, it would never be allowed in Europe, but the route down to these places are literally shackled together with bamboo, and it's fucking awesome. So it's the next day, and I did a little bit of exploring around my area, literally around the corner here in Ubud, away from the madness, which is actually really frustrating because it's just so busy in the town. There's this beautiful, beautiful temple here, and the sun is starting to set, and I want to get a shot of it with my little tiny FPV drone. I think there's enough light, so let's check it out. The perfect sunset coming through the trees, that beautiful temple. Man, I'm glad I ventured out tonight.